Hi guys, it's Solomon here. So in today's video I want to show you how you can simply move your Safemoon version 1 to Safemoon version 2. So I'll be taking this tutorial very simple, step by step, so that anyone that is doing this can do it by himself. So let me go straight without further ado to show you how to do that. So first of all, when you have your Trust Wallet is on iOS Store or Google Play Store. It's pretty much easy to create an account with Trust Wallet. You will come to this place where you see wallet and you have a display of all the cryptos you have, starting from the ones that have the high amount of money in. It will display at the top, and then you will have the rest down there. So to have your Safemoon version 2, you will simply come to this place, right? This particular icon, click on it. Once you click on it, you will search for Safemoon. Okay, once you search for that, can you see Safemoon V1 SFM? You need to on it, or you need to activate it to display on the wallet display. So once you do that, you see it down here, and when you click on it, you will actually see the amount in dollars, because my account is in dollars. This is it. Once you've done that, guys, you are halfway into this particular tutorial. So the next thing to do is to simply come to where you see the apps. Click on the apps. Once you click on the apps, you click on this particular link. I will put the link in the description, which is going to be very easy, or if you can just simply type swap.safemoon.net. So let me adjust this and show you. Yes, after adjusting it, you just click on it. Once you click on it, you will allow it to open up. So guys, this is it. It has opened safemoon.net. So once this thing opens, this is how you're going to see it. So the first thing to do is to come up here where you see Ethereum icon. Click on it, because we will need to change the network, that is the blockchain, to smart chain. We don't want to use Ethereum or Polygon. It's smart chain. You click on smart chain. Once after clicking on smart chain, you will click on consolidate to V2 Safemoon. This is what you will click on. Then click on that. After clicking on that, the next thing to do is to put the amount of Safemoon version 1 that you want to convert to Safemoon version 2. So for every 1 million Safemoon V1, you will have 1000 Safemoon V2. For every 1 million unit of Safemoon V1, you will have 1000 Safemoon V2. So this is how to do it. If you want to convert everything, you click on max. I personally don't have Safemoon in my Trust Wallet, so I will just put, let me say 1 million, just like I've told you, 1 million Safemoon V1. It would give you 1000 Safemoon V2. That's 1000 units. So you will need to approve this particular transaction. Once you click on approve, it will take some time, and then you will have this place. You see the gas maximum total network fee is 0.10, and then the asset, right? Then from this particular address, then using the app. So this is actually how to do it. You click on approve, and then you will have your Safemoon version 2 in your wallet. Once you come back here, you will scroll down and you will see the amount reflected up here. So guys, this is actually how to do it. If you really found value in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm ready to answer any question you have, especially if you're a beginner. I don't want you to panic. I will take you through every single step by step tutorial you need to start out on crypto journey. So see you in another video.